Hi, it's Angeline here. It's time for another Christmas card, and today I'm going to show you how you can add some fall to your card just using glue tape. So first, I've already stamped and colored this cute snowman and bird from the Wonderland set by Glanz and Unity Stamp. I've also drawn my own cloud for the sentiment and just fussy cut that out along with the clouds. And I'm grabbing the fancy falls from the Gina K Designs, which is the sparkling silver, and my Thermoweb tape runner XL. What I like about this tape runner is, just check it out. You can create waves on your card and the tape just goes wherever you want it to go. Then I'm grabbing the piece of fall, pretty side up, and just placing it directly onto the adhesive, using my fingers to rub it in, and just check out how easy it is to create this sparkling shimmery background without any laminator or foiling machine. If you miss a spot, just go right back in using your tape and you're ready to go. Here's a close-up on how pretty the fall is. Love it! So here is my finished card. I hope you enjoyed this really quick tip technique and do try it out for yourself. Thanks for watching. Bye!